Hey, good day everyone. Check out these string lights I have here. There's a look at each one of the bulbs there, or one of the bulbs. It's got a little hook on it there so you can attach it to stuff, clip it onto stuff. Also comes with a couple extra bulbs and some directions as well. Okay, I went ahead and plugged this in to test them out. You know you have power to the lights when that blue light's on too. Well, here's a look at them. Really pretty lights. Right, you can operate them here with this remote control. So you got on and off, so we'll go ahead and turn it off just to show you that. On, and you can leave them on for 4, 6, or 8 hours. You can do a dusk till dawn sensor on there as well. Then here's the dimmer. You can slowly dim them down, and then or dim them up, and then here's slowly dimming them down to nothing, back up. Here's the dimmer, all the way down, and all the way back up to the brightest. All right, I'm putting these string lights up on this gazebo right here, and it's really nice because they got these little clips right there, and that'll clip right to the roof and secure it right there. So that's the first one. If I want to add another length, I can do that right there. Just pop that off and add a couple more sets of string lights. And so I'm just going to come along here and hook these in here just like that. All right, there's one mode. You got blinking, breath. So it'll ramp up and ramp down slowly. Then you have flash. Now you just have it as on. So that's all the different modes of these lights. And you also have that dusk till dawn feature as well. Overall, I was really happy with these lights. They're super easy to put up. They're nice and lightweight. They make a great addition to any gazebo or outdoor structure like a shed or a carport, and also look good right along a fence line. Put them on the top of the fence, drape them across, or you could set up some posts and run it from post to post. These lights are really great for setting the mood, and I'm going to use them a lot. And I recommend them. Thanks for watching, everybody.